Hello, I'm in a 2019 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you how you would add coolant. So first you open your hood, and then on the driver's side here, you should see this reservoir. This will be your coolant. And for working with the system, you want to make sure the vehicle is turned off and cool, just because this little system works on pressurized system, and the coolant can get to a boil. So you don't want poisonous liquid to shoot out on you while you're trying to work in here. Make for a bad day. But that said, this is the area you would add coolant to, and on the sides you should see a max and minimum fill. This should be around the halfway, because you do want some air gap in here, so don't fill all the way to the top. And with your new coolant, you want to match the old coolant color as best as you can, and ideally the same brand you've been using. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, you just unscrew this. And then from here, either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, you'll just add as needed, and then screw this back on when you're done. And double check around your reservoir and all your lines. Follow them around the motor best as you can. Make sure there's no puddles of coolant you can see to indicate any possible leaks. Same with your radiator, kind of follow around your radiator. Look for any possible coolant leaks. One way to check too is while the vehicle's running, you might see some coolant start to puddle on the ground or around the motor. And one way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is, for one, the color should be slightly colored for the coolant. It should have a slight sweetness smell to it. And then you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and you're touching it, it'll have a slight slickness feel to it versus what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.